So this morning I've been moving some material by shovel, and I accidentally dug up these green iguana eggs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer them to my makeshift incubator to incubate them artificially. Now, this was the egg that I discovered first. And so anyways, what we do with this is we just very carefully move the eggs. It's actually important with reptile eggs to not turn or move the egg because they're not like chicken eggs. And so anyways, I will very carefully transfer all these eggs to this makeshift incubator. Okay, so these are our eggs. We got 4, 8, 12, 16, 17, 19 eggs. Not too shabby, 19 eggs. Anyways, what I'll do is I will bury them momentarily just so that just the tops of the eggs are exposed, but that's it. So I guess you could say I'll countersink them into the cocoa fiber that I'm using as an incubator or incubating medium. But yeah, those are green iguana eggs that I just sort of accidentally dug up. And I think I off the top, I don't know the incubation period, but I'm going to say give or take 60 days, maybe 60 days plus, give or take. Anyways, yeah, that was this morning's adventure.